You ever check your bank account and wonder if it was hacked, but then realize, nope, that's just your financial decisions catching up like a horror movie villain? Yeah, same. Today we're tackling the big, scary, soul-sucking monster known as debt. But don't worry, I brought snacks and sarcasm, so we're going to survive this together. Let's start with the obvious question. What is debt, really? Debt is basically borrowing money from future you, but with interest. And future you, not thrilled. Future you wants to travel, buy a house, maybe eat something other than noodles. But instead, they're stuck paying for that gaming console or those concert tickets you swore were a spiritual investment. First step, list out everything you owe. I know, it sounds painful. Light a candle, play sad music, whatever helps. Credit cards, student loans, car loans, that $80 you still owe your friend from taco night in 2019. Write it all down, then break it down by how much you owe, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. Why? Because not all debt is created equal. Some of it is like a bad haircut. It'll grow out. Some of it is more like a raccoon in your attic. Ignore it and it gets worse. Now let's talk strategies. You've got two popular ways to tackle debt. First, the Avalanche method. You pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. It's like slaying the most dangerous dragon first. You save more money in the long run. Second, the Snowball method. You start with the smallest debt. Knock it out fast. Feel like a winner. Get momentum. Like Mario collecting coins and squashing tiny enemies before Bowser shows up. Pick whichever one motivates you. This is personal finance, not a personality test. Now, about the B word, budget. I know it sounds like a punishment your parents gave you when you spent your allowance in one day, but it's not. A budget is just a plan for your money. Without it, your dollars are wandering around like unsupervised toddlers in a candy store. Break it down into needs, wants, savings, and debt payments. And if your wants category looks like a Marvel movie budget, maybe it's time to chill on the online shopping. Next step, stop adding new debt. Put the credit card down. This is like trying to bail out a sinking boat while still drilling holes in it. Freeze your cards if you have to. Literally. In a block of ice. Makes impulse buying very inconvenient. Also consider increasing your income. I know, easier said than done. But side hustles, freelance work, selling old stuff, these all add up. You don't need to become a crypto bro or start a candle empire. Just find a way to bring in a bit more cash to throw at your debt like it's an X you want out of your life, fast. And finally, celebrate small wins. Paid off a card, do a dance, made an extra payment, treat yourself responsibly. Financial freedom isn't about being perfect, it's about progress and not giving up when your bank balance makes you want to cry in the shower. If you've made it this far, here's your challenge. Take 5 minutes right after this video to write down your debts. Just 5 minutes. One list. That's your first win today. Look, managing debt isn't glamorous. There's no Instagram filter for responsible adulting, but every time you make a payment, every time you resist swiping that card, you're one step closer to peace of mind and maybe one day a savings account that doesn't make you laugh bitterly. If you got something out of this video, give it a like so the algorithm knows I'm not just yelling into the void. Subscribe for more money talk without the boring suit and tie energy, and share this with a friend who's been ghosting their credit card bills. Stay smart, stay strong, and please don't finance a hot tub on a credit card.